how to make an online course website using WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create an online course website using Elementor. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto your dashboard of your WordPress website. Then what you're going to do is come over here into the plugin section, and we're going to install some plugins. So over here we have only one plugin installed, so we're going to add some more plugins. So first plugin what we're going to install is going to be a WordPress builder plugin called Elementor. So when you search for Elementor, this plugin will pop up. Just simply click on install now. We'll activate all of these plugins later on. So next plugin for us to install is Astra. This is the plugin, so we could install this one as well. So we're gonna go ahead and install it, but if you don't want to, you can not install it. It just gives you some more templates as well, so it's optional. So we're just simply gonna skip this. The next is going to be the most important plugin, which is called Tutor. So Tutor LMS over here, this is it. We're going to be using this one, so let's go ahead and install it. So once it's installed, we are good to go. So now that it's installed, what we'll do now is we'll just simply go ahead and activate it. So once you activate it, you are good to go. Then you can just simply go ahead and get started. So I'm going to choose individual for now, set up our platform. So we're going to click on next. So over here, you just have some general settings, instructor profile, if you want to turn these on or off, and student profiles, turn it on or off. Lessons permalink is going to be lessons over here. As you can see, you have your domain /courses /sample course lessons, simple lessons, that, and then just simply click on next. Then you have your courses settings. So how many courses per row, per page, show instructor bio, question answers. Yeah, let's go ahead and click on next, and then choose the payment type. So you can check the PayPal and bank transfer or e-check, whichever one you want, and then just simply click on finish setup. And now you have yourself a LMS tutor. So now what we need to do is we need to go into the themes over here, and we need to set up the theme that is perfect for tutor. So what we'll do is come over here, click on add new theme, and over here we'll just simply search for tutor. So over here, as you can see, so this is the theme right here called Tutor Starter. This is the theme that we want. This was developed by the plugin developer, so this is perfect for tutor, for the plugin that we use. So we're just simply going to click on install, wait for it to be installed, and once it's installed, just simply click on activate, and boom, there we go. So now it's activated. So once it's installed, over here onto the left side, you will see Tutor Starter at the bottom. Simply click over there, and you will see you have a bunch of different options. So you have colors, layouts, headers, typography, footer. So we click on colors. We can choose what type of color we want for the website. So we click over here, we can see this is the color, so you can choose whichever color you want. I think this looks good. We don't need to change that, so we'll just simply close it and move on. Then we have layout, so we can choose what type of layout of the website we want. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. So pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Yeah, it also asks us to install this theme recommended. This theme recommends the following plugin called TutorMate. So let's go ahead and install the plugin over here. As you can see, this is it. So we just simply click on install, and boom, the plugin is going to be installed. There you go. Now we just simply go ahead and activate the plugin as well. TutorMate over here, so we activate it. All right, now we're good to go. Now we just simply click over here onto Tutor Starter, and you also have starter sites as well. So you click over here, you will see you have some different types of websites that have different layouts and how they work. So you have the single course, the instructor, the marketplace, or the university, right? It all depends on you. So for me, let's say we have the single course one. We'll go ahead and click on import, and we're going to choose Elementor. Always choose Elementor because it works well. So for this, of course, you won't be needing WooCommerce. It works. So we also gonna need WooCommerce as well as Tutor LMS add-ons. So let's go ahead and add those as well. So first, let me just go ahead and click on import. It's automatically going to go ahead and install both of these templates. So I'm going to pause this video right here and catch you guys in a second. There we go. So I think that is done. Let me just go ahead and see. All right, so over here, as you can see, yeah, it's done. We have ourselves a website, and we all have the content as well. Now we can go ahead and edit it out. So just simply click on edit with Elementor to edit your website, and you should be good to go. Of course, you can also add different courses as well. So if you click on Tutor LMS over here, you will see you have no courses as of yet. So just simply click on add new course. Over here, you can add the title, the media for the course. You can add different questions, difficulties, question and answers, maximum students, additional data, what will I learn, and all of the other stuff like duration of the courses. Of course, you can also set videos for the course as well, but for that we need to go into the settings to activate the settings and enable the video option. So but we'll do that later. First, let's go ahead and edit the website. So this is how the editor looks like, and you can just simply go ahead and edit any of these things out, right? So it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. What you'll do is just simply hover your mouse over onto each of the different elements, and you can start editing it out. So over here, you can edit this section out. You can change whatever you want. You can change the photography masterclass to any other course. You can change the text over here. If you want to change the background, just simply click on this option right here, and you can go ahead and change the background as well by just simply clicking on this button over here. Click on style, and over here you will choose the gradient option right here. You can see it that you can see the gradient option. Just simply choose the colors you want, the location, the linear, and you are good to go. Same thing with this one. You can choose whichever video you want to be able to play with over here by clicking on this button right here. Clicking on style, by clicking on this column button over here to select this column. Click on style. You can see you have this option, and if you click on this pen button, you can just simply enter in the link to any of your own video for it, and then you can add the control buttons. You can loop it, mute it, privacy mode. If you click on style, you will have different options, as well as if you click on advanced, you can add different motions. You can add different themes to it as well. Like if you want, you can put like a fade in so the video fades in, or you could go with zooming, zoom in. You can change different effects like slide in as well, rotate, bounce, light speed in. You click on light speed in. That's how it looks like. It looks weird, but yeah, I think that the fade in is pretty cool. You could also go with the fade down, but no, fade in looks pretty nice. And then you can go with the duration of the animation. You can go with the faster, slower, and it all depends on you. You can even add the different background as well. But yeah, this is generally how it looks like. You don't need to change a lot of stuff. You just need to go ahead and change whatever the stuff you want, like the themes, like the colors, the text, and overall stuff. But yeah, you should be good to go. Then let me actually go ahead and visit the site over here, since this is the course. So just simply click on enroll now, and it's gonna take you over here onto single courses, and you are good to go. So over here we have different instructions, office hours, magic, welcome to the first hours, all of the other ones, and you have other options as well for the courses. Now if when it comes to adding different courses, as you can see over here, if you click on Tutor LMS, click on courses, you can just simply click on add new courses and just simply add in all the other information. So let's say this is the photography masterclass, so we'll just choose that. Over here you can add different media as well. Over here you can add how many students you want. Let's say 2, intermediate, Q&A. You will learn, and then you add in some of the options. What will I learn? You will add everything you need to know about photography, targeted audience, one-liner. You can add like photographers or videographers, and then you can add course duration. Let's say is gonna be at least 1 to 1 hour, an hour and a half. Yeah, an hour and a half. And then materials include, you can add like a list of assets that you will be writing, like bullet points on what they'll learn, how they can do it, like everything, right? And it's pretty cool. Then just simply add in like an image of the course, and you are good to go. Then we can just select the image over here like this one, and then you could just simply go ahead and click on publish to publish the course. Of course, you can also add media, but yeah, pretty simple. That's it. Then if you go back, you will see you have a course right here. And if you click on view course, you can view the course over here. Pretty simple. Yeah. And you just simply click on enroll now and you are good to go. So that's basically it. That's how you do it. That's how you add a tutor. That's how you create a course website on WordPress. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.